I made the decision to charge Christopher Schurr with 1 count of second-degree murder.
GRPD Officer Christopher Schurr is set to be arraigned shortly in Kent County on second-degree murder charges following yesterday's announcement from Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker. That's where we find Joshua Vincent this afternoon live with the very latest.
Hey, good afternoon, Veronica. That's right. Officer Christopher Schurr is expected to be arraigned sometime this afternoon right here at the Kent County Courthouse. We're hearing that that's going to happen shortly after 1:30 as he is facing 1 count of second-degree murder. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker made the bombshell announcement on Thursday that he was bringing the murder charge against the officer. Back in April, Schurr shot Patrick Lyoya in the back of the head, killing him on the city's southeast side after the two allegedly struggled over a taser. Some in the community called for Becker to recuse himself from the case and hand it over to the state's AG's office, but Becker continued to say that his office can handle this case. During the press conference, we asked Becker if he believes this trial should be held right here in Kent County. Here's what he had to say.
I don't see why it wouldn't be tried in Kent County. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't know where else is it going to be tried. I mean, this is not like, only Kent County media is here today. So we've handled high-profile cases, very high-profile cases. I think I'm very confident with Kent County juries to look at the facts and kind of block this out. I've handled high-profile cases, so I'm not concerned about that.
We are also hearing from Schurr's legal team this afternoon. In the statement, his representation said, in part, quote, Officer Schurr is a decorated member of law enforcement who has dedicated his career to helping others and protecting the citizens of Grand Rapids. The evidence in this case will show that the death of Patrick Lyoya was not murder, but an unfortunate tragedy resulting from a highly volatile situation. As mentioned, Schurr will be arraigned right here at the Kent County Courthouse. We're going to bring you the very latest both on air and online, so stick with 13 on your side. And as soon as we bring that to you, we'll have it for you. As for now, we're live in downtown Grand Rapids. Joshua Vincent, 13 on your side.
Officer Schurr will appear before a judge for the first time at his arraignment. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker explained the case has all of the elements of second-degree murder, including intent to kill or cause great bodily harm. Legal experts say this will not be an open and shut case. They say cases involving officers can be tricky. They say it will likely go before a jury and it could take months to reach a final verdict.
It is very common for criminal defense cases to take a long period of time, certainly several months, if not even close to a year or more than that. I anticipate that there will be pretrial motions. There will be, the defense very well could be seeking a change of venue based on the publicity that this case has gotten.
If convicted of that second-degree murder charge, Schurr would face life in prison with the possibility of parole. He could enter a plea as early as today. The Greater Grand Rapids branch of the NAACP is also responding to the charges, calling the decision a step in the right direction. NAACP leaders say they were not confident this decision would come down, but they're glad it did. Now they're looking ahead to fighting in court to ensure there's a conviction. The Grand Rapids Area Fraternal Order of Police is calling the prosecutor's decision a ridiculous miscarriage of justice. In a statement posted to its Facebook page, the organization said, "Please pray for all of our officers, deputies, and troopers everywhere." The FOP is now asking for people to donate to the family's savings account, which has been set up at the Lake Michigan Credit Union under his name. We will continue to stick with this story as we wait for charges to be formally filed in court against Officer Christopher Schurr. We will provide updates on air and online as they become available.